Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlink Google Play from eFootball. All right, let's begin. First, make sure that the eFootball app is closed and not running in the background. Next, open the Google Play Games app. If you don't have it, you can download it from Play Store and then sign into your required linked account. After that, tap on the profile section and make sure that the Google Play account name is connected with the correct email. Once done, open your mobile device's Settings app and scroll down to the Google Accounts tab. Tap on it, then choose the account from top. Now, tap on the Manage Google Account button and select Data and Privacy from the list below. Here, scroll down and look for the Apps and Services section. Then, select the Third-Party Apps tab and let it load. Next, use the search bar and search for eFootball. Once you've found it, tap on it and then select the Delete All Connections option. Once done, there will be a pop-up regarding the confirmation of the action. Simply tap on Confirm and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can unlink Google Play from eFootball. That's it for this video. Thanks.